Hello students, nice to meet you. Now let's learn about procedure text. I am sure that most of you have ever made some food or drink or doing something. Now let's take a look at the definition of procedure text. A procedure text is a text that shows or tells how to do something, how to make something, or how to use something in a sequence of steps. The purpose of procedure text is to tell or to show how to do something, how to make something, or how to use something based on the topic of the text. Now, let's take a look at the structure of procedure text. The first is the purpose or aim or goal. This part is about what will be done or made in the text. It can be seen in the title of the text. For example, how to stop nose bleeding, how to use a mixer, how to make spicy fried rice, etc. Next, the materials or the ingredients. This part explains about the materials or ingredients that are needed to make, to do, or to use something. We can state the exact amount or number of the materials. For example, a kilogram of flour, 2 spoonfuls of sugar, a glass of water, 150 milliliter of coconut oil, etc. However, not all procedure texts need this part. Next is the steps or directions. This part shows the steps or sequences to do something, to make something, or to use something. The linguistic features of procedure text. Usually, a procedure text uses simple present tense in the form of action verbs such as put, open, mix, simmer, take, pour, fold, etc. And it doesn't use the word to. It uses temporal sequences too. For example, first, second, third, next, then, after that, afterwards, at last, finally. Sometimes numbers are used to show the sequences. It uses prepositions. For example, into, pour into, put into. Preposition in, such as plug in. Preposition out, such as take out, and preposition away, like throw away, etc. It also uses noun phrase or adjective plus noun. For example, big bowl, brown sugar, golden syrup, etc. And it also uses adverbs of manner. For example, carefully, slowly, evenly, fast, hard, sufficiently, at once, etc. Now, let me give you an example of procedure text. This is a procedure text with the title, How to Make a Toast. The materials, some bread, a sachet of chocolate milk, some butter, some grated cheese. The equipments that we need are an electric toaster, a plate, a knife, a silicone spatula, a spoon, a serving plate, and a small bowl. Steps or directions. First, put 2 pairs of slices of bread on a plate. Second, spread some chocolate milk on all slices of the bread evenly. Third, put the bread on the other slices of the bread. Then open the toaster and rub some butter into the toaster. Next, put the breads into the toaster. After that, close the toaster and plug in the cable into the electric socket. Afterwards, wave the red button switches into the green button. It means that the toast is already done. It will take about several minutes. Next, when the button is already switches into the green button, take the toast by using a spoon or a silicone spatula. Put the toast on a serving plate. After that, cut the toast into 2 parts and spread some grated cheese on the toast. Then, pour some chocolate milk on the toast. Finally, a special toast is ready to be enjoyed. Thank you for your attention. That's all my presentation. I hope that it is useful for you. I am Reva Oktriana Khanisha from State Junior High School 1 Krafsan, Probolinggo. Goodbye.